Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you the best SteelSeries Sonar settings for FiveM playing roleplay. So basically what you'll need to do is click on the link down below in description and you'll get to this page, and as you can see it will say import and configuration on your SteelSeries Sonar. If you want, if you don't want to do that, what you can do is just copy my points from the screen. So just turn on the equalizer, and right here I will go through all these points so you can pause the video and copy the points as it is right now. So basically if you need it, just pause the video. And after that, for the bass I use 1.7, you can go up to 2 decibels. For the voice 2.5, and for the treble go for minus 4.5 or minus 5. So just test it out and see what you like. For the spatial audio I turned off, I don't use that. For the gain I don't use the gain, and for the smart volume it is turned off too. So those are the settings that you can use for FiveM or GTA 5, it doesn't even matter. And if you don't hear voices very clearly, what you can do is bring treble a little bit more to positive side, and you can adjust the voice also. So that's pretty much it, guys. So that's the settings, and if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.